Okay, so I'm here at a site that was having some issues with their barrel number 4. The rest of the barrels are looking real good, and then over here you got another one that has barrel number 4 that's down. And now if you look at the menu, they have a syrup out reading on there. But that might not necessarily be the case, because apparently they were having an issue with that barrel when they had a full bib connected. So I'm just getting to the site now, so I'm going to have to take a look and see if they have a bib connected first thing. And then if they don't, before I do that, I want to take a look at a few things and show you all how I get into the menu. So right here you see it's on the standard screen, and you can press the green button, and you see you have cancel, off, defrost, refill, barrel, flavor change, and menu. So you just use your arrow key to go scroll down. I'm going to scroll down to menu, press the green button, and I'm going to go in and look at my fault history. You have readouts, fault history, service menu, and language. So I'm going to go down to fault history, press the green button to go in, and then here on this screen you can see all of the faults that came in. Here mainly they're all syrup outs. Just gonna scroll through and see if I see anything different. There's barrel 1 had syrup out. And mainly it seems like it's all barrel 4, so I'm gonna back out of here. This is how you back out. This button right here, you can back out. I'm just gonna go all the way back to the home screen, and there you're on the home screen. And did you see that barcode that comes up there? You can scan that barcode. You might see it come up. There it is. That barcode there will give you like a service manual on your phone. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go into menu, go to fault history, and then just take a look at what we got. We got a motor failure. They had a motor failure 2. They had a low beater on 2. That's barrel 2. They have a lot of low beaters, so that's probably a bricks issue with that. That could be a bricks issue, or it could be an issue with the motor capacitor. But I'm just going to scroll through to see if I see anything, because barrel 4 is the one that's down. You got the syrup out. A lot of beater lows on number 2. I don't see anything wrong with number 4, so I'm definitely gonna go. I'm gonna back out here, back to the home screen, and then I'm gonna go check out the back room and see if they have a flavor hooked up for barrel number 4 on each of these. In this video, I went over the service menu navigation to Diagnose the FBD 774. If you want the full breakdown and full troubleshooting diagnosis, that's inside my YouTube members section and the Learn a Trade Pro app. You can find a link for the Learn a Trade Pro app down in the description. I thank you for watching.